Okay, so my embroidery machine paid for itself in 4 months, and in today's video, I want to talk to you about how. You see the unboxings, you see the finished products, but is anybody actually breaking down how to make your money back? In today's video, you guys, I am giving you the exact breakdown of everything I did. The designs, the process, where I sold, how I priced, all of those things. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here with Angel B Designs. I'm Angel B. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So let me go ahead and preface this video by saying that Buy did go ahead and gift me my Buy Embroidery 15 needle machine. However, they did not gift me the sales, and that is what we are talking about today. Okay, so let me give you a little bit of context. When I first got my embroidery machine, I was coming from a single needle machine, the Poulin EOC06, which I absolutely loved. But I was excited to get the 15 needle machine, like genuinely excited. And I remember thinking, okay, this has to work for you, not just sitting here collecting dust, not just sitting here looking pretty. So what I decided to do was take the first couple of months and truly learn my machine. And if you were an OG on this channel, you know that your girl was putting the Buy to the test, okay? I learned how to troubleshoot it. I learned how to maintain it. I learned how to fix my mistakes, how to properly stabilize, all of those things. Still to this day, I run my machine on a daily basis, constantly learning how to do different things. So I wanted the machine to make the money, but I needed to figure out how. So first, let's talk numbers. At the time that I received the machine, it cost $5,300. I'm not gonna dance around that because that's the whole point of the video. You need to know the actual investment to truly be able to understand the payoff. And since I got my machine, Buy has increased their price to, I believe, $6,400 or somewhere around there. But you can definitely check Swing Designs for maybe a little bit of a cheaper price. Now, a lot of people see that number and panic. How are they going to be able to pay for it? Is it worth it? Am I going to be able to make my money back? All of those things. But here's how you should look at it. The embroidery machine is the business tool, kind of like how a painter buys paintbrushes or a moving truck or a moving company buys moving trucks. The machine isn't the expense, the machine is the investment. And the expense would be you purchasing this machine without any kind of plan on how to make your money back. So most people buy the machine, they download a bunch of designs off of Etsy, and then they make a few things, and then they try to figure out like what's going on, like how come I'm not making the sales? What can I do to make the sales? So this is just my little 2 cents that nobody asked for, but I think that when you're first starting out, the designs that you pick should be designs that people are already looking for versus what you think is cute. Try to find designs that the customer is searching for until you're able to establish your authority in the embroidery apparel business. So, how did I figure out what people were searching for? I went to Etsy. I searched embroidery designs in the niche that I was targeting at the time, which was like popular Christmas gifts that people were giving to other people. So embroidery apparel that people were gifting to other people as Christmas gifts. And I wasn't looking to copy anything, but to truly understand what people were looking to buy as Christmas gifts. Now, at the time, I wasn't digitizing my own files. So when I decided to focus on the tone-on-tone zodiac sign sweatshirts, I decided to purchase those files. Well, I didn't really have a choice because I didn't know how to make them. And I just went and I grabbed those right off of Etsy and basically got to work. I stitched out my own zodiac sign, which is Gemini, in a few different colors. So I did like red, gray, I think navy blue, black, obviously, in a few different colors like that, just so that I had something to post to my Etsy store, my website, my social media, all of those things. And then I also recorded the full process of me doing it so that people could see that I was actually a small business that was actually doing all of the work myself right here in my studio. Now, let's kind of break down the math and talk about the price a little bit so I can tell you how I price my sweatshirts to be able to actually make my money back. So the machine cost $5,300 at the time. And if I wanted to pay that off in 4 months, I needed to bring in $1,325 per month from embroidery work to be able to make that back. And the first month I sold my sweatshirts at $40 for sizes small through extra large and $45 for the plus sizes. And I chose this price to start off competitive. Sweatshirts are a common product and I wanted people to give me a try. After the first 30 days, I raised the price $10 quietly. And the key word here is being quietly. So I didn't announce a price increase. I didn't say that it was going to be going up or anything like that. I just did it. And then I kept posting business as usual. In month 2, I also added a new design, a phrase that said made for more with I think it was a script number. This was a design that I also purchased from Etsy because again, I wasn't making my own files at the time. And then I continued to make the same exact content for that design that I had been making for the zodiac sign as well. And so by month 3, things just kind of took off. I started having repeat customers, all of those things. Now, because I like to keep it real on this channel, I'm gonna go ahead and be honest. My initial goal was for me to make that money back in the first 90 days of me having the machine, so the first 3 months. And I was about $1,000 short of that goal, but by the end of month 4, I was able to exceed that by a lot. I think I exceeded it maybe by $1,000 or a little bit more, so that was a good thing. Now, does that mean that everybody who buys a machine is going to make their money back in 4 months or 3 months? Probably not. And honestly, that's not the point of this video. The point is that I had a plan. I was able to research what people were already buying. I created products around that demand. I consistently posted my content, which is something I've been doing for years now anyway. I listed my products everywhere that I could think of or everywhere that I was showing up online. And then when something started to work, I just did more of that. So the make an order with me videos, those worked. A lot of people really enjoyed those. So I made a lot of those. I want you to understand that the embroidery machine is the tool and the strategy is what made the money. I think sometimes we convince ourselves that we need another machine or we need another software program or another gadget or another supply order or whatever the case may be before we're able to be successful. But if you're watching this and you already have an embroidery machine or any machine for that matter that you want to make you money and it's just sitting in your craft room, my challenge to you is this. Stop looking for the next thing to buy and start figuring out how to maximize the thing that you already have. Because there is somebody out there right now making money with the exact machine that you own. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know down in the comments what your goal for your machine is, whether it's an embroidery machine, a Cricut, or whatever the case may be. Are you trying to pay it off? Are you trying to make your money back? Are you trying to hit a certain revenue number? Or maybe you're just trying to make your first sale, and that's okay too. Whatever the case is, I would definitely love to hear about it. I do have a school academy where we go into more into depth about things like this, as well as actual embroidery techniques. I will leave a link for that down below if you are interested in joining. But that is all I have for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hype, all that good stuff. Until next time, bye guys.